right, hi guys, good morning. This is your online learning plan for the week of April 20th to the 24th. And I have three things that I want to go over with you this morning. I want to touch base with you on your business concept folder that we've referred to, that we want you to have in your Google Drive. Also want to talk to you a little bit about what a UVP is, which stands for Unique Value Proposition. And then I also want to make sure you know what your activity is this week and what we're really trying to do with that. So with your business concept project folder, you're going to take a look for me right here. I happen to make mine red. And we referred to this 3 different times that we want to make sure we get some of your recent documents all saved in this one spot. So I guess in Google, you're not really saving it, but just organize it all in one spot so that you can find it when we get ready to put your final project together. When you get ready to put your final project together, what you're going to be able to see is that you've actually done the work already. So your final project is going to be going in here and opening up the work that you've done. So right now, we want to make sure we've got 3 files in here already. And those 3 files are going to be your customer interview. Your second one is going to be your competition analysis that you did. And your third one is from last week, and that's going to be your industry analysis. So you want to make sure that you're keeping those all in there together. So that way it's going to be really easy for you to find them and see what you want to do. Moving on for this week, our learning plan is getting shorter and shorter. So we're going to start out again, and we've got this little 10-point activity so that hopefully everybody sees this video and they understand what's going on. And this week we're working on your UVP activity. I put here for you that it's going to be 30 points just to give you a quick idea. It's not 80, it's not 100, so it really is not going to take you too much time to do that. I also have trimmed it down from last year, so when I show you the sample, you might notice that they had to do more work than you guys are doing, but obviously we know we're in this predicament. So when we talk about a UVP, this is a very short video, and I really love the way that they describe what's going on with a UVP. So again, we've got that UVP, which is going to stand for Unique Value Proposition. And let's just take a look at this video real quick. What's a UVP? UVP stands for Unique Value Proposition. It's the number that you are that's unique to you. Okay, very good. So with that information, along with the information listed in your project and the examples, I think you're probably going to be well on your way. So let's go over here and take a look at what our project looks like for this week. So your project for this week is going to be this unique value proposition for 30 points. Right up here at the top, you're going to have a link that we'll look at in a second of a good sample from last year. We're going to ask you to come up with 2 features and 2 benefits of your product and what it actually can do. So your feature is going to be something special about your company, and then your benefit is why does anybody care about that? And then the last thing you're going to be asked to do is to create a UVP, so a unique value proposition for your company. You can see this is Netflix idea right here. We're looking for your answer right down here. What we want to round out this little video with for you very quickly is if you go ahead and follow this link right here, you're going to get a chance to see a good example from last year. So on this good example from last year, first of all, you're going to be able to see that they were asked to do more than you guys were. But if you just scroll down for us, you're going to be able to see some of the features that they have and then the benefits. Notice the benefit is really focusing on how it's easier for the customer and how it makes life better for the customer. And then also if you take a look for us real quick on the UVP, this group's UVP was right down here, and you can kind of get an idea for how that's going to be worded. So it's not a tagline and it's not a slogan. It's going to be a little bit longer than that. There's a ton of information online if you feel like this was not enough for you. So you're more than welcome to take a look online if you feel like you'd like to do that, or of course you're always more than welcome to reach out to me. I'm very impressed with the work that you guys have continued to do, and I think we're going to make it. So we're going to make it through this thing. If you have anything that you want to talk about or you need any help, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. Have a nice week. Take care.